a good day. I know I said it to you already before, and I'm just gonna start uploading these videos at nighttime around this time, maybe an hour like ahead or hour before. I don't know, whatever, same thing. But the videos are just gonna be of me explaining what I think is gonna happen the next morning, okay? And that does get a little bit difficult sometimes because sometimes the night before I'm a little bit conflicted, so I don't know where we're gonna go. So I look at the morning of, and then I decide what to do based off of the morning price action. But today's case, I think I have a pretty good understanding of what the price is trying to do. Okay, so I just wanted to come on here and help you guys, kind of like guide you guys through what I'm thinking right now. So first of all, let's just start off like just trying to pick our buys from the weekly. Right, where do we think the weekly is gonna go? Well, first of all, last week we had this real bearish week, right? We could see this and this wick on the top. Usually when something like that happens, price tends to go down. Like, let me see if I can try to find an example for you. Like in real time, right here, there was a huge wick right here and went straight down. Obviously it doesn't happen every single time, but I'm just trying to show you an example. So a wick right here, and the consequent encroachment of that wick gets hit beautifully. Like, look at that, 50% of that wick gets hit, and then we start moving perfectly down. Now I think our manipulation phase on the weekly has happened, and we're just going to be going all the way down. And my draw is this low right here, the daily low right here, and that is also because it's the start of the weekly fair value gap, and it is I'll show you something. This move up, I expected this move up to happen after this dump. First of all, I needed to see retrace. Second of all, I needed to see 50% of that area get hit, right? And this is exactly 50% from this range. And I know I kind of drew it wrong, but it's fine. You get the idea. 50% is right here. We kind of consolidate. We went up, okay? Now, what is price trying to do now, okay? Firstly, there is SMT on these highs right here still. I'm going to try to change the color so it's better. There's SMT on these highs. ES has taken out this high already. NQ is too weak. Okay, it can't. Another thing, on NQ, if you draw out a fib from that high to this low, you can see we have been consolidating around the equilibrium point, and this little wick right here, we manipulated traders into thinking we're going to start going up and take these highs out, and we hit the 0.705 area perfectly, which is OTE, and then we started going down. So I think that the consolidation and stuff has already been like over. I think we are ready to move officially all the way down and take out this low right here. That is my low that I'm targeting. But another thing is that we did respect the end of this fair value gap. So as you can see, if I draw out a rectangle, there's a fair value gap right here, bullish fair value gap right here, right? We respected it right here. The end of it, we acted as a support. And so I just have that highlighted out too, like the end of it, this line right here, as support, because it could act as support. And if I'm in a trade and my TP is suited well for this area right here, I'll just make this my TP. But otherwise, this will be my draw. And yeah, that's for tomorrow. That's why I think we're gonna go down. On the hourly, we could check something out too. Oh, also one more thing, on the 4 hour, just look at the structure, right? Perfect ICT bearish structure. We have these highs like taking out liquidity on actually no, there is no liquidity, I'm bugging out. Taking out liquidity right here. So this liquidity was taken out right here. This previous liquidity was taken out. It's kind of like the 3 drive pattern, if you want to call it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and then also that gets taken out too. So the more liquidity that gets taken out, the better, I guess, right? Because we're topping out more traders. Then we have strong displacement down. This is all displacement, leaving a fair value gap behind. This bearish fair value gap. We have been consolidating within that fair value gap, but we are starting to finally lean back out from it, okay? So that is why I'm bearish tomorrow, and I'm going to quit the yapping, and I'll see you all tomorrow with tomorrow's trading journal, and let you know if I lose or win. Peace out.